you will learn how to access MongoDB through your AWS, how to install it into the AWS. Okay, so please open your browser. So in your browser, you just need to write what I have written here, Mongo install on AWS. Okay, just write it here. If you will search, then go down here, you will see the first thing which is present here, right? Just click on it. You will see this kind of window will come. Just go down and keep it here. So now you need to do some copy and pasting, right? Because otherwise you need to like write all these steps. So this is the easy way. Okay, so to connect it with your EC2 instance, I will write putty. Already this instance is there, right? So I will just open this instance. I will write EC2 dash user, right? So now what you need to do is first you need to update your EC2 instance. Why? Because so that like in your EC2 instance, EC2 instance is just like your laptop, right? So what you do when you have a laptop, you just update your system, right? So that everything gets fixed up. So here also you will fix your system. So what is the command? Sudo will make you as a super user. Yum is a command to update in yum is being used for different things, like suppose for install, update, remove, for so many other packages. Okay, so here we are using yum to update our system. Update, sorry for spelling. So what it will do is it will update your system, update your EC2 instance. You just need to press yes. Now it is completed. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to change it to the directory. So which directory you need to go? CD. Be very careful. Okay, so I'm just pressing here enter. I will just be a super user, so that like, so I will just change to the super user. See, super user, your anchor will change, your this value will change. Okay, so here I will write CD oblique etc oblique yum dot, I will create a repos dot d. Okay, so I will create a repos dot d repo file. Okay, so press enter. Be very careful, just see all these lines. Okay, so now you are inside repos dot d folder itself. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to go so that it is easy for you to and write everything, right? Now what I will do is I will have to create a file. So how I will create a file, I will write vi space, then I will copy this thing. What should I copy? I should copy this part. So now I will copy this part. Press right click here and press enter. You should always be a super user before doing this thing, right? Vi is the command to write, to open a file. Basically, if file doesn't exist, it will create that file. So when you will press enter, you will see this kind of window will come. Now press I. Okay, so what I will do, I is a command to insert the value. Now I will copy this value from this section. I will copy this value and I will press right click here. So when you press on right click, it will paste everything in this. Now what you need to do, you need to press escape, ESC, on the top left corner. Press escape. Now you will see here insert was there, it is now missing, right? Now you need to press colon. Now W is to write and Q is to quit. Now in the end you should write exclamation. Okay, now press enter. If everything is correct, you will see this kind of window will come. Okay, so now you have written all these things into your file, vi file, repo file. Now how you will install it is a fairly simple command, sudo yum install. I told you na that yum is command for various things. Earlier why you used yum? To update your AWS, right? Right now we are using yum to install MongoDB -y mongodb-org. If you will press enter, then it will start installing your MongoDB into your server. Okay, so it will take some time. So, oh, it's done. So now it's done. So now you need to restart the server itself, like in Tomcat. Even if it is installed, you need to start it, right? If you have used Tomcat or any kind of server for that sake. So here also you will start the servers. So how you will start? You should write just service mongodb and start. If you will press yes, it will wait for some time and it will say starting MongoDB server, right? Now you just need to write Mongo. If you will write Mongo, what you will see here, that you have already entered into the Mongo file. Here you can easily write, suppose I will just write here show dbs. So you will see now your MongoDB is working. So we will do a quick creation of database. How? Use dummy. It is for creation a database, right? So I've just created a dummy. Now how I will insert the value? I will just insert using what? Sorry, so first I need to create a collection itself, right? So db dot dummy dot create collection, suppose dummy itself. So what was the problem? Okay. So problem was I just have given dummy here. So I was already there in the database. Sorry for that. So yeah, we have created a collection tdd. So I will just create one more collection. Suppose db dot create collection. Suppose dummy. Now I will suppose insert one value db dot what, in dummy itself you want to insert, right? Insert what you want to insert. Suppose you want to insert underscore id. So this is what, this is a primary key, right? So suppose 2, and I will also insert suppose emp id. This is just a key, not a primary key, right? So in MongoDB, as you already know, only one thing is the primary key, that is represented by underscore id. So now my employee id is suppose 33, name is suppose Atul, and yeah, only this detail I want. So I just pressed enter. Now create operation is done. Now I just want to read it. db dot from which database, sorry, which collection? From dummy collection. I just want to find all the values. So I will just do find. Now suppose if you want to update, how you will update? db dot dummy dot update. So what is the command for update? So you will start with the braces. You will select which value you want to update, right? So which value you want to update? Suppose I want to update emp id. So emp id should be uh, which is 333. I want to update emp id which is 333, right? So with what you want to update? So you want to update with so first I will do set, right? So with what you want to update? You want to update that emp id with suppose um, emp id 43334111. So this is the new value that I want to give. Okay, so I just need to close all those things. Just press, and just now if I will do db dot dummy find, you will see, oh, why the value has not changed. Okay, not a single value has been modified. Okay, so that was here, as you are giving the value in as a number, so that's why it didn't change. So now you will see the value has changed, right? So I was giving the value as a number, but here I has given by mistake as an int, right? So here find is also done, cru is done, and d is for drop, right? So db dot dummy dot drop means what? Remove, right? So I will just truncate every value. So now if I will do db dot dummy dot find, you will not find any value. So now if crud operations is done, now you can easily connect with your EC2 instance or MongoDB instance to any of your application using the IP address, and using the port number, and using the PEM file. So thanks for your patience, and now you have learned about like what is MongoDB and how MongoDB works, how to install MongoDB on AWS, right? So please use MongoDB in your future applications. In later, I will upload a video for the advanced MongoDB. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.